with me with just concluded WAEC objective questions. So stay with me as I guide you how to solve all the calculations that are in this question paper of the year 2026. Okay, so let's go with question number 11. All right, and the question said, a girl observed an elevated image of a piece of stone at the bottom of a swimming pool 6 meter deep. That is, the depth of the swimming pool is 6 meter. So let me see, depth D is equal to 6 meters, right? Good. Now when she looked vertically downward, that was when she observed the depth. Okay, determine the apparent displacement of the stone from the bottom of the pool. Okay, now refractive index of water is given as 1.33, which we use n to represent the refractive index of water, 1.33. Okay, so how are we going to find the apparent displacement of the stone? Okay, now recall that apparent depth, let me use this, apparent depth is equal to what? Real depth over the refractive index, which is what? N. Okay, now I'm going to have my apparent depth now is equal to what? My real depth, which is the depth of the swimming pool, 6, divided by the refractive index of water, 1.33. Okay, it's going to give me 4.51 meters. Okay, 4.51 meters. Now this 4.51 meters simply means the depth of the image. Now you notice that the depth of the pool is 6 and the depth of the image is what? 4.51. Okay, that means this is not the real depth of the pool. Now they ask us to calculate the apparent displacement of the stone. What is going to be the apparent displacement? The apparent displacement now, let me see, displacement now is going to be my real depth minus the apparent depth, which is my real depth is 6 minus the apparent depth, which is what? 4.51. Okay, and this is going to give me what? 1.49 meters, right? Approximately I'm going to have 1.5 meters. Okay, now if you check this, you will see that it is option A, 1.5 meters. All right, you see how simple it is. So stay with me as I solve more questions. Okay, bye.